Hi, I'm here with Patrick Ringlever with Interplan.
Hi.
Hi, thank you so much for being here.
Absolutely.
Taking a moment out to chat with me.
You bet.
How's your experience been so far with the CCR retreat?
This one's been great. This is actually my first time to the retreat. I normally come to the summit.
Okay.
Talk to David to see if maybe the retreat was a good option for us, and I really liked it. I think they both serve two different purposes.
Absolutely.
They both kind of have a different feel to it, but I love the low-key environment of this one.
Yes, very intimate grouping, get to know everyone on a first-name basis.
Yep.
It's always fun.
Right.
What was your biggest takeaway from the CCR retreat?
Surprisingly, it was the roundtable. You know, I was a little bit nervous about going into it as to would I have anything to offer the group discussion, which I felt like, you know, there were some definite points that were brought up that our industry could speak to. But I like the fact that there are so many different vendors that are also very different, and then the brands on top of it who could give their input onto the questions, and you get a really clear snapshot of some of the things he's asking that touch into so many different things that maybe you wouldn't have any idea about in such a fast period of time by hearing their input. So
yep, a great cross-section of the industry.
That's a good word, a cross-section at a moment to get that instant feedback.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
And my last question to you, if there is one word to best describe your experience with the CCR retreat, what would your one word be and why?
One word and why? I'm going to think about it for a sec because I want it to be a meaningful word. I guess I'd have to say impactful.
Ooh, I mean, like that word. Very strong word. Yeah.
And I think the reason would be is the format I liked for this is that it didn't have to be a hard sell. You know, I didn't even really want to talk about our services until we had the one-on-ones. I knew there'd be plenty of time, and I didn't want it to come across that, you know, we're here to push our products, because that's not what it was about. I wanted the brands to be able to know who we are, get a little bit about the clients we work with and what we do on a more low-key level, as opposed to just kind of inundating them on what we do. It really represents our company well, because we're not a hard sell company. We don't really like to get out there and do a whole formal dog and pony show where we get out there and have a PowerPoint. Whenever I do like to meet with clients, I like to you know, be sitting across the table from them, have it be a conversational. I don't like there to be an agenda, and that's really what this show is all about, is that there's not, while there is a structure, there's no agenda as for what you need to be talking about. It was really there to just kind of hang out with people.
I like that.
And then at the end of it, you can kind of culminate all the things you've been learning about their company and really direct your discussion during these one-on-one by all the things you've been hearing about them speak about for the last couple of days, and really target what your services are for the needs that they have, because you've learned about it in the meantime.
Okay, great. Very focused on relationship building, would you say?
Yeah, and that's what this industry is all about.
Absolutely. So. I love that. Impactful. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us, Patrick, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.
Absolutely. Thanks.